Now picture this. It's the first Canadian cookout of the summer. The sun is shining, all your best buds are there, the barbecue is fired up, and there's a cooler full of drinks just waiting to be enjoyed responsibly. But in a tragic turn of events, some dummy didn't bring any disposable cups or plates, and now your whole day is ruined. Do you want to be that dummy? Of course not. I'm Reeve from the order desk here at Gregg Distributors, and I'm here to help you stock up on cups and plates to avoid this horrific daytime nightmare, and possibly even save your social life. Welcome back to Gear Up with Greggs. Disposable cups were invented in 1908 when a lawyer named Lawrence Llewellyn made a vending machine that would dispense a paper cup filled with cold water for 1 penny. Abolitionists stationed these water vending machines along New York streetcar lines to try and deter people from hitting the bars after work, which was wildly unsuccessful. Although water vending machines didn't stop people from drinking, they did provide us with a handy invention in the form of a disposable paper cup. Whether you're having a company gathering or looking to stock up your staff lunchroom, here at Gregg's we have a variety of cost-effective options to meet your disposable dinnerware demands. When it comes to hot beverages, these insulated foam cups or paper coffee cups are available in sizes ranging from 6 to 20 ounce. So you could easily stock up your office break room, customer lounge, or apocalypse bunker, no problem. The paper coffee cups are made of 90% plant-based renewable resources and have a polyethylene lining to prevent leakage. Don't forget the dome lids for the paper cups and the flat lids for the foam cups to keep your drinks sealed and avoid spilling scalding hot beverages all over yourself and your coworkers. Yowza! I don't know about you, but I just love my red Solo cup. I pick it up and have a party. We carry customizable 18-ounce It's My Solo cup. Just peel off the label and scratch in your name to make your cup your own. That's right. No more accidentally sharing cups with the new guy in accounting. But if you aren't into cups that ooze personality, we also carry standard 7-ounce plastic cups. Last but not least, we have cone paper cups for your office cafeteria, company events, or sports games. We have 3, 6, or 10-gallon coolers to keep drinks cold for hours, with convenient carry handles so you can easily set up beverage stations, or dump it on your supervisor for a whimsical celebration. Now for the important part, food. Our lightware foam or heavyweight paper plates can hold as much food as you could fit on them. For alternative uses, try a paper plate frisbee or a foam plate hat as a party trick, and you'll be the talk of the company picnic in no time. Don't forget the plastic cutlery though. No one wants to watch Toby from HR eat potato salad with his fingers again. Fortunately for everyone, we have disposable utensils including knives, forks, soup spoons, and teaspoons. If you need places for your staff or guests to sit while they eat, be sure to check out our selection of plastic furniture including folding tables, benches, and a variety of different colors of folding chairs. They set up in a snap and store away easily when not needed. Wherever you're eating or drinking, we've got all the supplies you need. Head over to our website at greggdistributors.ca to check out all the products we've got to offer. And thanks for tuning in to this episode of Gear Up with Greggs. See ya later.